was bound to figure out how to do this eventually. On the very first one that I did, I didn't pull the cane webbing quite tight enough, so it's bubbling out a little bit. I'll have to go back and fix that one. But I finally dialed it in, and basically I just oversized when I cut the cane webbing to size, I oversized it a little bit. And then I just spent some time pulling it as tight as I can get it and then attaching it with some staples. And that seems to be keeping it from bubbling out a little bit. So I just got to keep chipping away at this, and I've got 3 more of these things to attach now. Wow, was that a pain in the butt? It does look pretty cool though, so I guess it was worth it. Although I might need to take a little bit of a break before I decide it's a good idea to work with cane webbing again.